But we do have filters, and sometimes those filters are very irritating to people who check in with us about businesses, because we really can say in 10 seconds or so no to 90% plus of all the things that come in, simply because we have these filters. We have some filters in regard to people too. But the question of technology is very simple. That doesn't make it through our filter. I mean, so if something comes in where there's a technological component that's of significance, or where we think the future technology could hurt the business as it presently exists, we look at, we look at that as something to worry about. It won't make it through the filter. We want things that we can understand, which filters out a lot of things, and we want them to be good businesses, and we want the people to be the people we're very comfortable with. That means ability and integrity, and we can do that very fast. We've heard a lot of stories in our lives, and it's amazing how you can become quite efficient in probably getting 95% of the ideas through in a very short period of time that should get through. Charlie?
Yeah, we have to have an idea that is A good idea, and B, a good idea that we can understand. It's just that simple. And so those filters are filters against consequences from our own lack of talent.
Filters haven't changed much over the years either. Okay, area 5.